Okay, take number 2. I was talking about this before, and like I said, wasn't entirely certain if you can really see, but that's where the bed connects. I think this is what you're talking about, the back of the cab. But this was the least, in my personal opinion, of the rust. As far as what looked really pretty good was this back area here. Surprisingly, yeah, this in the front is a lot more rusted out. And the paint is not original. I did get an answer to that question. There is no idea how many times it's been painted, but yeah, you'd know more than I would. So, but it is not original. I was told by multiple sources that it was original, but it is not the case. And so, like I said, right now we've got the battery disconnected. I wanted to take the video first before we got the truck idling, and then once I got it the 10 minutes in and got it all idled and everything, I'll have that video for you. But yeah, this really isn't that bad. The back looks very clean to me, very clean. And I don't know, it has been repainted. I don't know if they painted over rust or what. That is another question. Like, there are parts of it that look to me like it was painted over, but I don't know. You be the judge. I'm not entirely certain. There are definitely scratches. I mean, if it were to be a project vehicle, then it would definitely need a little bit of work. And so here's this wheel well. Again, same issues. Pretty rusted. And I'm not sure exactly what it is you're looking for. You would know more than I would, but it's definitely an older vehicle. Now, oh yeah, these beams are pretty rusted out. Oh, you were spot on. I mean, you definitely knew what you were talking about. So, and then this is all the way back. If you can zoom in on any of this stuff. Here, wheel axles over there as well. Then I'll get a zoomed in view of the front end in a minute. Spare tire here. So yeah. Oh. I hit my head. Yeah, this all looks fairly clean. It has the original chains, I believe. Lights a little bit of cracking there. These are just set in. That's probably typical. I don't know the age of these, but I'm fairly certain that these are supposed to be original. But that is what it looks like on the interior there. Same with each wheel well. So this is the rear passenger side. Tires are new. These here, they would be new. Again, worst of the issue here. And then it was on the inside as well. And then this one here, there's that on this side. And then just here, down here, it's pretty, you know. So yeah, that's everything that I can think of. And the engine. And there's these intake. On this side. That's oil. Looks like it's pretty